So the tech tool that I decided to use to help teach my lesson is Pear Deck, and I'm just going to show you how I would use it to teach my lesson and why I think it's a great tech tool for the classroom. So I'm just actually logging in with this code right here on my phone, and this is what the students would do. And so I just joined, and then on my phone it asks me to rate how I'm feeling, and that's a good thing for the students. And then I'm just going to start. So I can actually see what's going on my phone as a student, but this is the teacher view. And I just made a quick bar graph slide because that's what I'd be teaching. And so the first question, this is why I like Pear Deck, is because it asks it makes the questions anonymous. So you can just, if we're learning a new topic, which we're talking about bar graphs, I can ask, oh, what is a bar graph? Explain to me in your own words. And then I click this button right here, show responses. And so it doesn't change for the students, but for the students, they need to click answer the question, and I can type a bar graph is and then I will, that's one of the students' answers, and it does that for every student, and it's anonymous. So if they don't really know, but they want to try, like, no one will know who said it. And then you can keep on going with your presentation. So now we're gonna, which one do you think is a bar graph? And this one's actually a multiple choice. So I'm gonna click B, and yep, so that's right. And then they also have a drawing feature, which is so cool. So, oops, I'm just going to draw real quick on my phone and show you how it would. So I'm just gonna click show responses. So if I were to draw like a bar graph, it would be like this. If I were a student, but just to show, like, it's just bars. And yeah, so this is how I would use Pear Deck. It's very easy to use. It took a little bit to download, but you just do it in either Google Slides, and you just create a lesson, and it gives you these options on the side. You can add text, multiple choice, numbers, website. This is the drawing one. It's just really cool, and it's a great resource for, especially with online learning and during COVID. So yeah, this is what I would use.